Mr. Barkley, if you could just help me out here. I just want to make sure we're clear. The August 10th, 2007 agreed order, so it was an agreed order. That's an agreement between counsel for the state of Illinois and counsel for AFSCME, correct?
That's right.
Okay. Now, and the counsel for the state of Illinois is the Attorney General, correct?
Well, in this case, the comptroller was the party to the agreement, so the Attorney General represents that state constitutional officer in that particular court proceeding. That's correct.
And just under our law, and at least as I understand it, the Attorney General does not report to the constitutional officer they're representing. She actually represents the interests of the people of the state of Illinois, correct?
That's my understanding.
Right. So, so if the Attorney General doesn't report to the governor and entered into an agreed order to pay all of these states' employees without any further changes or claims, what's the difference between 2007 and 2015? Same Attorney General, same status of issues with the federal law. What's the difference?
Yeah, we've struggled with an answer to that question as well.
Might be that there was a Democrat sitting in the governor's chair and that now there's a Republican. Now, I do want to go to the issue of the Constitution as well. I just want to I don't see why there's a dissension on this, because the state constitution, Article 8, Section 2, Sub B, the General Assembly by law shall make appropriations for all expenditures of public funds by the state. Appropriations for a fiscal year shall not exceed funds estimated by the General Assembly to be available during that year. And counsel, I think you've alluded to this, but I mean, there really is no other, there's no alternative given to the governor by the state constitution but to veto the budget. Is there?
Not in our legal opinion. We believe that it would have been unlawful to do so.
I mean, I guess we could sit here and try to conjecture. I mean, maybe the people of the state could file a mandamus action against the General Assembly to do its job. Possibly we could change the criminal code so that the members of the General Assembly who vote for unbalanced budgets be thrown in jail. Maybe we could legalize for this brief purpose, possibly tarring, feathering, and running out of town the members of the General Assembly who won't vote for a balanced budget. I don't know the legality of that, but at least it's an option, something that we might want to consider going forward. Mr. Bargley, thank you for your fine legal work on this. It's clear that this is just yet more games from the other side. Again, it's total partisanship at this point. But again, thank you, Mr. Barkley, Mr. Newting, for sitting here and dealing with this trash coming from this General Assembly.